I saw a video on Facebook recently, a friend's video, and he was on a roller coaster. And it appeared to be a roller coaster cam, if you will, recording the ride he was taking with his daughter on that roller coaster, up close, showing every moment, every exciting, exhilarating moment. And I thought, what a great idea. Yeah, by him to capture that moment with his daughter on the roller coaster, but by the roller coaster company, the amusement park owners, to record that special moment, those special moments, those probably frightening moments on that roller coaster for my friend and his daughter. And I thought, that's user-generated content. So that's them, those who ride on the roller coaster, having the memories captured and being able to share on social and having them for posterity, immortalized those moments they had as quick as they go by on that roller coaster. But think about the benefit to the amusement park, the people who run that amusement park, how they are getting lots of free advertising by doing that, because most people who record themselves, say on a roller coaster or anywhere they're proud to be, happy to be, some exciting moment, they want to share it. And by sharing it, that's free advertising. That's where I'm going with this. It's a win-win, if ever there was one. It's user-generated content, UGC. So any brand or business can do that. If you're sitting down at a restaurant, I'm here in the North End walking around, hey, why not offer to take their pictures and ask them to share them on social media? Have a restaurant cam, have a school cam, have a, I'm making this up on the fly, a bus cam, a MBTA cam, have a, you get the picture, a grocery store cam. Here I am with all my groceries. I'm not kidding. I'm serious. People love pictures. People love to be in pictures. People love selfies. People love sharing those pictures. If you're a brand or a business, any kind of brand or business, look, a roller coaster, an amusement park can do it. You can do it. Have your customers, your constituents, your audience members take pictures of what they are doing with regard to your business, your brand, your products and services. Encourage them to share that content. And that's a win-win. That's user-generated content. UGC, free advertising for you and special memories. Yeah, for your audience.